On September 15, 1985, during the Angelus at the Vatican, St. John Paul II introduced to the Universal Church the phrase, Alliance of the Hearts of Jesus and Mary. Sinabi niya, though distinct, they are interrelated by reason of the enduring relation of love that exists between the Son and His Mother. Sa madaling salita, ipinapahayag nito ang malalim na ugnayan ni Jesus at ni Maria. That their lives are profoundly intertwined. Si Jesus bilang Diyos na totoo at taong totoo, si Maria bilang ina ni Jesus. It means na iisa lang ang kanilang hangarin. Iisa lang ang kanilang misyon. Iisa lang ang nilalaman ng kanilang pag-ibig. At ito ay ang ipadama sa buong santinakpan ang walang sukat na pagmamalasakit ng Diyos sa ating lahat. Ang hanguin tayo lahat sa pagkakalugmok sa pagkakasala at iakyat tayo sa langit. Although Jesus is the very source of grace, the very source of love, bilang Diyos, thus He is called the fontal grace. While Mary is what we call a derived grace, nang ibig sabihin ay hango sa biyaya ni Kristo ang kanyang biyayang tinatamasa at ibinabahagi. Thus, her love is flowing from the divine love of Christ and also a response to the love of God initially poured upon her. Their union cannot be broken. They are always together. Ngunit masasabing kalabisan na tawaging twin hearts of Jesus and Mary dahil hindi kailanman magiging pantay na pantay ang puso ni Jesus at Maria because Jesus is God and Mary is not. So even Mary herself acknowledged it in her fiat. She said, Behold, the handmaid of the Lord, be it done unto me according to your word. Alam ni Maria na hindi siya Diyos. Siya ay alipin ng Diyos. Kaya sinabi niya, mangyari nawa sa kanya ayon sa salita ng anghel na sugo ng Diyos. Whatever God does, she will do. Whatever God desires, she will desire. Whatever God loves, she will love. She will continue to be an ally of God. She will continue to be a handmaid who faithfully serves her Son, Jesus, who is true God and true man.
If you have any other questions for me, you may send them anonymously by clicking the link on this post. Thank you.